friends, I am back, and I'm back to show you the basics concerning multiplication. All right, we know in 4th grade we learn all these different strategies to multiply, but I want us to remind us of what we kind of learn as the foundation of multiplication. Okay, so here we go. First, we always start out with a multiplication sentence. You're going to see that when I multiply using a standard algorithm, I'm going to have to set it up just like I have addition and subtraction, and we always have to start out with a sentence, a number sentence of some sort. So today I want to do 25 times 16, okay? Now we know this isn't the standard algorithm for multiplication, so I need to stack these numbers according to place value, and that's my standard algorithm. All right, so I'm going to rewrite this multiplication sentence to look like this: 25 times 16. All right, we know that when we are solving a multiplication problem, especially multi-digits, all of my players on team A have to speak to my players on team B. So that means this 6 and this 1 need to speak to this 5 and this 2. And all numbers just have to speak to all numbers, right? So I'm going to show you how to multiply. There are a few things you need to note, though. I'm going to be multiplying place value by place value, which means I'm working with my ones that he's going to talk to both of these people first. Then I'm going to move to my tens. He's going to talk to both of these people. Now, every time I get an answer for my place value, it has to go up under the place value that it belongs to. And you'll see what I mean in just a moment, okay? But we're going to use our number sense, and we're going to get to multiplying. And we're going to have to do a little bit of regrouping, if you will, okay? Because we know that when we get to a certain number, we can't fit all those buddies in one spot, right? So let's start. All right, we have 6 times 5, which equals 30. That means I have 0 ones and 3 tens. I'm going to write this 3 up here just like I would in addition or subtraction, okay? In addition. So I have this 3 that is moved over here because it's 3 tens. That's what 30 is made up of. All right, so now again, this 6, I'm only working with him right now. He needs to speak to the 2. He's already spoken to the 5. 6 times 2 gives us 12. But we can't neglect this 3 up here. That means I have 15. All right, now I have nowhere to put that 1 because I don't have a hundreds place. So I'm just going to stick this friend over here. Answer is 15. Now let's move to our tens. Remember, I'm going to start lining my answers up right here because I'm working with my tens. All right, this 1 times this 5, that gives me 5, of course. All right, and then this 1 times this 2, just don't give me 2. So I'm going to put this friend over here. All right. So this is what we're working with. Now, we need to put in a 0 as a placeholder so that we don't push any numbers around. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to plug a 0 right here because now we're just about to do some addition. Okay. All right. So we have 0 in our ones place. 5 plus 5 gives me 10. So that means I have 0 ones and then I have 1 10. It's going to move over here. And then I have 1, 2, 4 hundreds. That means 25 times 16 is 400s. And that is how you solve that multiplication sentence using a standard algorithm.